Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which finds the number of children of a given node in an n-ary tree. First, let us take an example. For input x equal to 50, the output will be 3 as 50 has 3 children which are 40, 100 and 20. Now, let us see the approach. We initialize the number of children as 0. For every node in the n-ary tree, we check if its value is equal to x or not. If yes, then we return the number of children. If the value of x is not equal to the current node, then we push all the children of current node in a queue. We keep repeating the above steps until the queue becomes empty. Now let us see the algorithm. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We pass the root node, which is 1, to function number of children. So root will point to 1. Also, let us assume that we have to find the number of children for node 2. So we pass 2 to x. Next, we take a numChildren variable which we initialize to 0. Since root is not null, we take a queue and push the root node which is 1 into the queue. Since the queue is not empty, we enter the while loop and now n will be equal to the number of elements in the queue. Since there is only one element in the queue, n will be 1. Now as n is greater than 0, we enter the inner while loop and now we take a node p which will point to queue's front, that is 1. Next, we pop element from the queue. Now we check if p's key is equal to x. As it is false, we enqueue all the children of the dequeued item, that is 1. So 2, 3, 5 and 6 will be enqueued. We decrement n, so n will now be 0. Since n is 0, we break out of the inner while loop and continue with the outer while loop as the queue is not empty. Now n will be 4 as there are 4 elements in the queue. Again, as n is greater than 0, we enter the inner while loop and now p will point to 2 and 2 will be popped. Since p's key is equal to x, the if condition gets satisfied and we set numChildren to numChildren plus adjacency list size of 2, which stores the number of children, that is 1. So numChildren will be 1. We return numChildren, that is 1, to the caller module and thus the number of children of 2 is 1. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.